Today is the day I get to share some items from my first little art licensing collection with Demdeco. This little collection is all about encouragement and becoming who you are truly meant to be. Starting with this cute butterfly pillow with so many fun details, and a cute little snail pillow as a reminder to keep taking those little steps. Wall hooks and this fun ceramic butterfly bank to save up for something really special. And one of my faves, this beautiful little sparkling water globe that lights up with pure imagination. And this heartwarming little board book filled with so much love, bright colors, and an inspiring message encouraging anyone to become who they were meant to be. Head to demdeco.com to see the full collection and so many more inspiring products.